Good morning everybody, welcome to Floor Store Direct. My name is Siobhan. I would like to speak to you today about your needs, your flooring needs, and what is the right flooring to put in your house. So everybody is different. Some of us have kids, some of us have animals, some of us live in the country, we live in the city, in apartments. So everybody's needs are different. So it's very important for you to think about what is right for you. So I'm going to, over the next few days, go through all the different types of flooring that's available. And today I'm going to talk to you about our engineered boards. So engineered boards are fantastic. They are solid on top, and they are on plywood, okay? In this particular case, we have a multi-ply. You can see the layer of solid oak on top. So this can be floated, it can be glued, it can be secret nailed, okay? If you have underfloor heating, you're going to be gluing this. It's a better option because the heat transfer goes up quicker, okay? The beauty of engineered boards is if you choose this dark floor today, okay? In 10 years time, if it is marked or scratched, you can sand this floor back and you can have it any color you want. So it's fair to say over the last few years that we have gone through the full, I would say, 50 shades of grey in all of the flooring here. So if you've chosen this over the last few years and you wish to change, you can change that floor to any colour you want. So you can go from your browns, you can go pink if you want. It's really up to yourself what you can choose, but you have the choice, okay? And you have a brand new floor again, okay? Engineered floors are natural. They're so beautiful. You'll never get the same look from anything else, be it your LVTs, be it your laminates. You will not get the same look. You will not get the same feel. And it's a natural product. So that's just something to take into consideration.